What if I told you that right now in 2026 there's one location in Bangalore where property prices are growing faster than almost anywhere else in South India and most people are still sleeping on it? Whitefield Varthur Road, and right at the heart of it, a project that is turning heads across the entire real estate market. Today we are doing a complete deep dive into Evergreen at Prestige Rain Park. The project, the location, the pricing, the amenities, everything. So before we even talk about the project, let's talk about why location matters so much in real estate. This is something most buyers completely ignore. And here's the truth. You can renovate an apartment, you can change the interiors, upgrade the fittings, repaint the walls, but you cannot change the location. Once you buy, you are locked in. So getting the location right in absolutely everything. Now, Whitefield, why is everyone talking about it? Whitefield is Bangalore's IT and business nerve center. It houses some of the biggest tech parks in India, and with the recent expansion of Prestige Tech Forest right next to this project, the demand for premium housing here is only going one direction, that is up. And here's the data point that should excite every investors. Property prices in Whitefield have appreciated by nearly 35 to 40% in the last 4 years alone. That's not marketing talk, that's market reality. Evergreen at Prestige Rain Park sits directly on the Whitefield Varthur Road, one of most strategically connected roads in East Bangalore. You are 3 kilometers from Hope Farm Junction metro station, you are 5 minutes away from Nexus Mall Whitefield, Manipal Hospital a short way away, and you are seamlessly connected to Outer Ring Road, Sarjapur Road, HSR layout, and even Electronic City. This isn't just a location, this is a location that works for you every single day.
The project comes with 3 basement, 1 ground floor and 19 floors, which make this a very low rise project. Now we'll check out 3.5 BHK option. Come on in fast. As you enter, you get your dining area, living area again with an attached balcony which has a lot of space. As you enter, left side is a modular kitchen with a lot of ventilation. Now we'll check out bedroom number 1, which comes with an attached washroom. All of the rooms here good ventilation. Coming forward, left hand side is your bedroom number 2, right hand side is your powder washroom. And here goes your master bedroom. Your master bedroom comes with an attached balcony plus an attached washroom. Adjacent to the master bedroom, you get your kids' room so you can keep your eyes open and a check on the kids. The project is very luxury, so you can enjoy and invite your guests over without any hesitation. This is a 2.5 BHK option. Come on in, we'll see it fast. This is your dining area, this is your living area, which comes with an ample space and an attached balcony also. This is your bedroom number 2, which can be used as a parent's room. It also comes with an attached balcony plus an attached washroom. As you come out from here, at the back side, left hand side, you will get your modern kitchen with lot of space and in separate utility area too. This side is a bedroom number 2, which also comes with lot of ventilation and a balcony. And lastly, it's a master bedroom which also comes with a balcony attached to it and lot of ventilation. The project is thoughtfully designed, taking into mind all kind of age groups and family structures.
So, should you consider Evergreen at Prestige Park Tree? If you are a home buyer looking for a premium 3 or 4 BHK in one of Bangalore's most connected and fast growing corridor, Absolutely, yes. If you're an investor looking for a combination of rental yield and long-term capital appreciation in a project backed by one of India's most trusted developers, this deserves serious attention. The project is in its launch phase right now, and in real estate, the best deals always go those who act early. To get floor plans and the details price list and to book a site visit, reach out to us, the Money Consulting, because we are the best real estate consultants across Bangalore.